Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV.
In today's video, we have combined an incredible automatic cake-making robotic machine and awesome cake-making processing that will blow your mind.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now. to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.